Hi everybody, welcome to my channel, Rosie Cooks. I'm making a turkey. This turkey has been washed and completely patted dry. Okay, you gotta make sure it is dry, otherwise your seasoned butter will not stick. So, this is what I'm gonna do. Inside, I'm going to inject it with this. It's roasted garlic and herb, Tony Chachere's, and it comes with a syringe, and I love this stuff. Okay, so that's what I'm gonna do. Once I've seasoned it up on the outside, I'm going to inject it with this stuff. Okay, these are some fresh herbs, sage, rosemary, thyme, and the same thing right here. These are gonna go on top of some fresh vegetables underneath the turkey. That'll season up some gravy that I'm going to make. These are gonna go inside the cavity of the turkey. Right here, I have 2 very soft sticks of butter, salt and pepper, sage and rosemary, paprika, onion powder. That's what I'm going to put on my turkey. The seasoned butter right here. 2 sticks, very soft butter. My seasoned butter. Adding all my herbs and spices. Okay, now I'm going to make my seasoned butter. I'm going to mix everything together. So right here I have some herbs, sage, rosemary, thyme, and I'm going to go ahead and stick them inside the cavity. So the turkey always comes with this plastic thing. I'm going to go ahead and just leave it on here. Nothing happens. It doesn't come off or anything. It doesn't burn. And the turkey legs stay together. I put some plastic on my cutting board just to allow it to stay cleaner. So now this is completely dry. I patted it dry. Make sure you pat it dry. And now I'm going to put my seasoned butter all over my turkey. All over the legs. And what I'm going to do right here, you go under the skin. Break the skin slowly, carefully under the skin. And I'm going to put some of this seasoned butter under the skin. And that way, this seasoned butter gets right on the turkey meat. And you're going to do it over here on the legs too. So, okay, getting some of this butter in here, deep inside. So now I have my Tony Chachere's injectable seasoning. This is really good stuff. They come in different flavors. One of them's a Creole. I like just roasted garlic and herb. And so I'm going to get this and bring it up like this. Okay, so I've got my injectable and I'm going to start put it in deep and start injecting. You can see it expand. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? You know that this is going to have a lot of flavor. Do it one more time. Got it all the way up. And here's my leg. Let me put it deep in and then start pressing it and watch it expand. All this good flavor inside. Okay. So right here I have a big tray. That's what I'm going to cook my turkey on. I have sage, thyme, and rosemary, plus carrots, some celery, and onion. I'm going to put my bird on my tray. So here's my turkey, and some people will stick these underneath the little wings, but one year I did that and it kind of got loose and was trying to flip me the bird and ended up getting scorched, so I gave it little mittens. Anyway, okay, so it's ready for the oven. This is the night before. And tomorrow morning, I will put this in the oven, 325 degrees, until it's beautiful golden brown, and the internal temperature is 165. This bird is just under 15 pounds. I'll let you know how long it takes me. So right here, I have extracted 3 cups of the drippings from my turkey. Right here I have 4.5 tablespoons of all-purpose flour and 4.5 tablespoons of salted butter. Okay, you can use unsalted. Either way, this has a lot of flavor. It is said that you don't have to use a fat, you could just use the flour, but butter is just going to give it more flavor. So right here I have a saucepan and I'm adding my butter. And I'm gonna let that melt down for a little bit. So now I have this a little under the medium heat. Okay, so now I'm gonna add my flour. And I'm gonna just start mixing this together, and this is forming a roux. Now cook this up for about a minute, just to get the flour slightly cooked. So now I'm gonna start adding my drippings. Just slowly and mixing. Slowly and mixing. Okay, and I'm gonna raise my heat just a little bit. And let this keep on going. So now I raised the heat and I'm gonna let this come up to a bubble and it's gonna start really thickening up. And here's my gravy. Look how thick it's become. Very, very nice. So here's my turkey and my gravy from the drippings. Very, very tasty. It's very beautiful. It came out great. I ended up cooking this for 3.5 hours, 15 minutes per pound. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe. Happy holidays. See you next time.